Well, what's up, guys? As you can see, we're doing a new roof today. We're out in East Bradenton, and it's a little loud. It's always loud the first day, and then it gets a little quieter, but you can see as we nail it, or basically tear it down all the way down to the plywood. We check for any rotten wood, make sure all the flashing, all the fascia is not rotted, or any kind of rust or anything. Make sure basically everything's torn off the roof. As it comes down to the ground, we're usually trying to put it in the trailer. Sometimes a little bit gets on the ground, but we try and make sure that everything's tarped as we're doing that. Once the guys tear off and get it all basically all cleaned up, they'll go ahead and reply or re-nail the plywood, and that's basically a code requirement nowadays. We got to make sure all the plywood's re-nailed, and as you can see up there, they're starting to put on some of the underlayment. So after they've got it re-nailed, they'll go ahead and put underlayment on the entire roof, and that is a secondary water barrier. We only use peel and stick underlayment. We do not use the synthetic. We don't really agree with it. We know that it's had issues in the past, so we stick to the peel and stick underlayments. Once they get all the underlayment on, they'll go ahead and mark all the vents out, and they'll start to lay down the drip edge. The drip edge is basically every piece of metal on the edge of the roof that's going to tie in your fascia to the new roof. Once that drip edge is on, we'll go ahead and nail that down. We'll cap it off with some roofing cement, and that's basically like a tar that helps the first row of shingles stick to the roof so it doesn't fly up during high winds. Once that's on, we'll go ahead and start laying the shingles, and that's a process that we'll probably end up showing you guys in another video. This is our tear off.